Today I'm gonna read How My Body Works. The Muscle. Book number 1. My body works. The muscles. The book number 1. Contents. Body structure. Your muscle system. Page 6. Why you can move. Page 7. What is a muscle? Page 8. What shape or skeletal muscles? Page 9. How muscle move? Page 10. Kind of muscle movement. Page 12. Little muscle atlas. Body in action. The muscle system at work. Page 14. What controls the muscles? Page 15. Flexible and sensitive muscles. Page 16. How do the muscles work? Page 18. Where do muscles get their energy? Page 20. Why do you get tired? Page 21. The muscle stop working. Health and fitness. Healthy muscle system. Page 22. What harms muscles? Page 23. Heat giver. Page 24. How to keep fit. Page 26. If it hurts. Body structure. Your muscle system. Where you can move. Muscles are really important. Without them, you cannot move. They help you to move in many different ways. Body movement. From walking and running to holding a pen or winking. Body position. Even when you are sitting still, your muscles hold your body up. Facial expression and body language, which help you and express your thoughts and feelings. When you hit the ball in a game of tennis, you use mainly the muscles in your arm and chest. These are the muscles that you use most of all. This is a hand flexor. This is a bicep. This is the deltoid. And this is the pectoralis major. There are over 600 muscles in the body. They make up about 40% of your total body weight. This means that each kilogram of your weight is equal to about 400 grams of muscle. Thanks to your muscle, you can jump, run, play tennis, and carry out 1,000 other movements. What is a muscle? Muscles are made of fiber, which fiber consist of thickly packed long thin cells. The fibers are arranged in bundles, and each bundle is wrapped in a sheath of tissue called the perimysium. Each muscle is made up of several bundles of fiber. The muscles are separated by sheet of tissue called the deep fascia. Nerves run through the muscle too, and this carries the message from the brain to the muscles. There are also many blood vessels in each muscle. Muscles look like meat, and most cuts of meat that we eat are, in fact, animal muscle. If you bend your arm, you will feel the muscle in the upper arm called the bicep glutes. It will also block outward the muscle of the weightlifter in the picture above the back a lot. Weightlifters have big muscle because they exercise them so much. What is a skeletal muscle? Most of the muscles in your body are used to move the bone of the skeleton. They are called skeletal muscle. Each one is attached to a bone at one end and to a different bone at the another by flexible chain called tendons. When you want to move, the brain sends message to the muscle and they move the bone of your skeleton so that you can bend your joints. What shape are skeletal muscles? There are muscles in every part of your body, from your ear to your little toe. Every time you blink, you use some muscle so that they can do their work properly and fit into their different parts of the body. Skeletal muscle come in 4 different shapes. Spindle-shaped muscle have a thick middle section and taper off at the ends. They often have 2 or more cords or heads. These groups include bicep and tricep, which are found in the upper arm. Flat muscles are located in the forehead or in the abdomen. Triangular muscle include the deltoid muscle, which make the upper arm. Circular or ring-shaped muscles surround the eye and mouth or act as sphincter to close off the bladder and the anus. How muscle move? Muscle move when the muscle contracts. How does it do that? There are rows of millions of fibers in a muscle that are made of 2 different sorts of protein, one called myosin and another called actin. Just imagine you are pushing 2 packs of cord together. The cords slide over each other. Something similar happens. When the muscle tense, the 2 sorts of fibers slide over one another. The muscle fiber become shorter and fatter. The muscle has contracted. You will find myosin and actin everywhere in nature where movement takes place, even in earthworms and a microscopic creatures such as amoeba and flagellate. This is earthworm, and this is amoeba, and this is flagellate. Kind of muscle movement. Your brain controls the movement of all the muscles in your body. You are in conscious control of some of them. These are called voluntary muscles and they move when you decide that they will. Other muscles work with a conscious command from you. They are called involuntary muscles and they control part of your body such as your heart. Voluntary muscle. Your skeletal muscle or voluntary muscle. They are controlled by the conscious part of your brain. This means that you can make them move when you want them to. You decide when you want to bend your knee or reach out for a cream cake. And your brain passes the message to the correct muscle which makes the right movement. This boy is hungry and would like to bite the bread dough in his hand. His brain orders the bicep of his left arm to move and his forearm bend upward to his mouth so that he can bite into his throat. Involuntary muscle. You are not aware of them, but some muscles keep working all the time. They are also controlled by your brain, but you do not have to tell your brain to make them work. Your brain keeps the involuntary muscle working without any conscious order from you. The involuntary muscle work to expand your chest and draw air into your lungs. Your heart, which is really one big piece of muscle called cardiac muscle, pump blood around your body continuously. If these muscles did not work all the time, you would die. The muscle in your intestine squeeze the food you eat through your stomach and digestive system so that your body can get the goodness it needs from the body you eat. Waste left over from this process is pushed out of your body when you go to the toilet. Every hair on your body has a little muscle at its root so that they stand on end if they get very cold. All these muscles work without any conscious effort from you. When the boy swallows his breath, his muscles begin to work automatically. The wall of the esophagus move the food down into his stomach. Little muscle atlas. The muscle atlas shows you where the most important skeletal muscles are located and what their name are. You can stop and see what they call. Anatomy is the science of the structure and shape of the human body. The location and shape of the muscle system is one branch of anatomy. Exercise makes muscle grow. The fiber in each muscle get thicker and stronger. That is why weightlifters and keep fit enthusiasts have large muscle. The smallest muscle in your body is in your ear. It is 1 millimeter long. The largest or the gluteus maximus in your buttock. Here is the real view of human muscle system together. The skeleton and the muscle system give the human body its shape. Above right, the location and shape of the most important face muscle. You need muscle to speak, to open and close your eyes, and to breathe.